Hello friends, you're watching Review Life with Rahil. And if you have still not subscribed to my channel Review Life with Rahil, please go down there, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. And also if you have still not shared with your family and friends, please do that as well. Hit the share button. In today's topic, we are going to discuss on 7 tips on making a good habit in our life. Sometimes in life, we are defined by our habits, isn't it? Some of our habits are like a good one or maybe a bad one. Maybe sometimes it is really bad. These are learnt by each one of us over a period of time. And then what happens is we do it constantly in life. At one point in life, we want to change, we have that desire to change or break that habit or make a good habit. But many of us are like, we want to change it, but it takes a hell of a dedication to do it, isn't it? Yes, at times very much. But according to many studies, it says that 21 days or above, if you do this dedicatedly on daily basis, you can definitely make or break your habit. Today I'll share some 7 tips how we can do this easily. Step number 1. Define your goal. Particularly when you attempt to change or end a habit, you should try to express your goals as a positive affirmation. For an instance, rather than saying, I will stop wasting my time in the morning, say to yourself, I will make good use of my morning time by doing something worthwhile. It can be any good habit you want to develop, like going for a walk, jog, or reading or doing something else. Step number 2. Make a vision board or have a daily reminder. It's a very crucial step because we need to remind our mind about our goal until it becomes a habit for us. And to do this, you need to keep your written goals somewhere in visible place where you can see it on an everyday basis. You may also take help from your family members. You can tell them to remind you when you are deviating from those things. And also, some of us may like to confide with our true well-wishers. So go ahead. Step number 3. Superseding your current habits. Now this is also a very important and significant role in this. The reason because you need to develop something very substantial to convert that habit to supersede your earlier pattern. For example, if you wanted to stop wasting time, your one of the stronger pattern to change would be to try getting up early in the morning and change that earlier pattern to a new pattern of getting up early. Step number 4. Focus and note down your triggers. Now here you need to see what is that trigger which is making you waste your time in the morning and making you not do things. And eventually you will see that one or more habits will be triggering you to do the same. And in this case, it can be like sleeping late at night, or you may be not an early riser, or it can be something like you're not still motivated to change yourself. Look carefully for all those factors affecting your goal setting. Step number 5. Partnership. This is somewhat very obvious for some reason because it is always good if you have a same person or a same wavelength person as your accountability partner. You both can keep a tab in your routine, or you can help each other keeping your things together. It has been seen that this kind of partnership helps a lot of individuals finding their true potential and help each other compassionately. So go ahead, find a good partner for yourself as an accountability partner. Step number 6. Positive affirmation to your mind. These are also called as affirmations. Please write down your daily positive affirmations and read it to yourself. And if you are still not able to do that, I'll give you one good tip. If you don't want to read this and write it, you every day in the bathroom, you get fresh. While getting fresh in the bathroom, look at yourself in the mirror and say those positive affirmations which you want to make it happen in your life. So again, remember, to do this, you need to do it for 21 days or more. Your positive affirmations should always be in the present form, as it is happening already in your life, right now. As of now, if you are listening to me, if you are watching me, this is the moment you have already a changed, happy person who is getting up on time and making use of your day worthwhile. In this way, it will always keep you motivated and focus on your goals in life. Step number 7. Reward yourself. Now, here we can say that, why reward ourselves? We all know that whatever we are doing in our life or work routine, we want to get rewarded for whatever good we have done, right? Yes, absolutely, because it is a tremendous motivating factor in our life. Now here, reward need not be an expensive watch or a jewelry to yourself every time. It can be something really simple like patting yourself on your back, or maybe that extra piece of cake you can eat, or something like in this case you can be if you want to achieve that whatever the goal you have set for yourself, like you can take a break for 15 minutes, you can sleep that 15 minutes extra today, or you may reduce your 15 minutes of exercise routine today and take some rest. So this can be your reward for today. These tips have been used by many successful people, and many successful people have told us that this helps in making our goals and habits change over a period of time. So I believe this should work for every one of us as well. So go ahead and learn to do it by yourself. And let me know if you have learned something really good here, and if you are changing your bad habit to a good habit over a period of time. If there is a good result coming up, do let me know, share your story with me, and also do comment in my comment box. Thank you for watching Review Life with Rahil, and if you have still not shared this story with your family members and friends, please go down there, hit the share button and do that favor for me. Thank you so much. Much love.